Responsive search ads use Google's AI to create effective ads for users based on their search behavior. Google's AI takes relevant assets you have submitted and uses them to make search ads that respond to a user. To create a responsive search ad for your campaign, in your Google Ads account, select Campaigns. Select the Campaigns drop-down, and then select Ads. Click the plus icon. Select Responsive Search Ads. Then select the campaign and ad group you want to create responsive search ads for. From here, you can add assets like your ad's final URL, headlines, descriptions, images, etc. You can also pin your headline and description if you want your responsive search ads to be more cohesive. Here are some tips to make your responsive search ads more effective. Craft genuine messaging that focuses on the benefits you provide to the user. Use keywords on your headline and description that tie these all together. This way, users will know your ad is relevant to what they are looking for. Make sure to have a strong brand with your messaging, but don't be afraid to get creative with your ad copy. Use tools like keyword insertion and ad customizers if you have a lot of ads to maintain. Pair responsive search ads with smart bidding to further your reach. Add as many unique headlines and descriptions as you can. This allows our Google AI to find the most effective combination based on a user's behavior. Enable all asset types that make sense for your business. Relevant assets like your service's phone number can improve your ad's effectiveness. It's recommended to have at least 4 unique high-quality images as ad assets. It also helps to add your business logo and name. To improve your ad performance, consistently test and refine your creative messages. Evaluate the success of your ads based on impressions, clicks, and conversions your ad groups and campaigns receive. This way, you can definitely see what's effective in creating your ads. It's recommended to have at least one responsive search ad with good or excellent ad strength per ad campaign. Advertisers who improve their ad strength from poor to excellent have 12% more conversion rates on average. Learn more about creating effective search ads in Google Ads Help Center.